What's up, you guys? So today we are getting into this pre-styled unit by Alipearl, and if you guys seen the thumbnail, yes, this is pre-braided, pre-styled, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. It is ready to install, and the lace is even cut for you. Literally going on my head that easy. This is the best beginner friendly unit that you can install for a beginner friendly person who don't know how to do wigs at all. You could have you a cute little style, and you could tell these folks you really did your hair for real when Alipearl really did it for you. Literally all I'm doing is cutting the sides and just making sure that the frontal is, matching up ear to ear. So in this case, you might have to cut like towards the ear tab so that you can customize it so it can fit your hair, like it can fit on your head perfectly. They also have the baby hairs already kind of cut out for you. You can add extra baby hairs on the sideburns if you want to, but they already have some at the top, like right underneath those braids, so that you can have your little baby hairs at the top. Now this video and another video that I have coming soon, I recorded these before I stopped working with this lace spray brand. I'm not even gonna say the brand. If you know, you know, y'all already know, but I did use it for this video and the other videos you guys are gonna see, but these were past videos before I threw the products out. But like I said, if you know, you know. But you could just use any spray adhesive to put this on. This is a 100% glueless unit. You can use lace glue if you want to, if you just want it to stay like for real. But if you just want to throw this on real quick, a little, light holding spray, lace spray will do the trick. So I'm just spraying it all over. I didn't even do like a wig cap for real. I just put my wig cap on and put my makeup on, and then I also put the makeup on the lace as well before I put it on my head. Now, if I didn't mention before, this unit is 22 inches and it is straight, but as you've seen from the thumbnail, I am gonna add a little bit of curls in it. But y'all, like, I was just loving this braid. I always wanted to do this style, but I was feeling like I wasn't gonna do these little braids right, and that's what was stopping me from doing this style. Now, you can do what I did to perfect this. I did take the rubber band out and put like a wax stick on the hair and ran my hot comb through it just so it can get a little more sleek, and then went back in with that rubber band and did that ponytail over. This is so easy. You literally cannot mess this up. If you mess this unit up, you are the problem, because Alipearl literally solved everybody's problems with these pre-styled units. Like, this style ate down. The last time I had a pre-styled unit with some braids, I had to take the braids out because it wasn't proportioned right to my head, but this was perfect, y'all. Like, do y'all see this? Like, I normally be in my beauty room for like an hour, 2 hours, almost 3 hours trying to do a style like this, and this was literally half of the time. Half of the time, y'all. So now that I got my baby hairs together, I'm just going back in with some holding spray, just ensuring that everything is looking real good, because I was kind of like insecure about the top at first. I was like, I really need this to lay down real flat. Like, I really hope it looks real good. But it was looking real good, and I was really loving it. So I went in with my Luster's pink holding spray. I love this holding spray. I like this holding spray as like a light spray on my lace, and also a holding spray for my curls. So I'm going in with my wax stick on the top and just getting those top sections really flat before we go ahead and go in with these curls. Now, for these curls, I wasn't doing anything like too crazy. I didn't layer the hair or anything. I just went in and curled the hair as is. So I just started from section by section, and I'm using my T3 curling iron. And if you guys don't know, it's kind of low-key broke. So if I don't have to really use it as a traditional curler, I don't. I just wrap the hair around, and it gives me, the curls that I need. And you guys, I recommend this unit to anybody. This is a 10 out of 10 in my book. Y'all know I love when I don't have to do anything for real. And I love showing you guys units like this because it's showing you how easy it is to do your hair. Anybody should be able to do their hair and not have to spend $500, $400, $300 for somebody else to style it on top of them already buying the wig on top of that. Like, it's 2024. Y'all need to learn how to do y'all hair, and Alipearl is literally doing everything for y'all. So if y'all walking around looking crazy, it's literally your fault. Literally. But no, for real, you guys, like, I was very mind blown about this unit. Like, when I seen it in the pictures, I was like, okay, like, let's see how I look in person. And in person, I was like, okay, now let's see how I look on my head. And when I put it on my head, I was like, okay, like, yes, like, y'all hearing my voice, like, Alipearl, y'all need to keep doing this. Like, keep doing this. Try a new style. Try a whole bunch of styles because the lace is laid. The lace is thin. The lace is bleached to perfection. No over bleach. It's not over processed. It's plucked perfectly. I didn't have to go in and pluck anything. I didn't even have to go in and cut the lace extra. Like, I just, like, this wig spoiled me so bad. And you guys, as you guys can see, these curls are looking really, really good. Alipearl did their thing with this unit. Y'all already know all the information for this unit is in the description box down below. Y'all need to go get this hair now. Go get it. If you don't know how to style, if you don't know how to pluck, if you don't know how to bleach, if you don't know how to do nothing, go get this wig. Like, Alipearl literally solved all of our problems. But I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Stay blessed. GI babies, we out.